Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I am super excited for this video because we're going to be talking about all the new indie makeup releases from the past week or so and what I personally think about them, whether I'm going to be buying them or not. I've got a few releases to throw in that I actually received in PR, so it's more just going to be like, this is new, this is available, whatever, like just talking about releases because I do like this to be like almost like your news, just getting to see everything that's coming out from indie brands, even if it's not always me discussing whether I'll purchase it or not because it's not applicable. So hopefully you enjoy that. And if you are new to my channel, I do a ton of content all about independently owned makeup brands. So if you want to see more of it, feel free to subscribe. It's there, it's an option. This video series is inspired by Aniel Kanikvist and Samantha March. I have both of their channels linked down below, as well as all the Instagram accounts that I use. So let's just go ahead and jump right on in. I feel like I have been editing so much this past week. I'm just gonna try and not mess up and make this as smooth as possible for myself. So let's just start. The first thing that I want to talk about is a sneak peek from Menagerie Cosmetics. This is their new Flight Club palette. Super excited about this. I feel like it's probably gonna be like a purple palette that's more berry. They had a purple palette in the past, the Violet Ink palette, but it was definitely like really cool toned purples. So I just can't wait to see what is in here. It's going to be 12 different shades, and there's also going to be new blush, new liquid lipsticks, and body scrubs. So maybe I'll try one of those. That sounds nice. It sounds like a good launch. I feel like there's like a 99.9% chance that I will be purchasing this, especially because I feel like you guys like to see me review Menagerie's eyeshadow palettes. Whenever I do videos on them, they normally do decently well, so definitely excited about it. I think it looks really, really cute, and I think bats are really cute, and there's this one bat, I can't remember what the name of it is off the top of my head, but it's like the biggest bat and it's like the size of a small dog. If I can remember, I'll leave a picture on screen because when I first heard about it, I was completely mind blown. I was like, I didn't even know bats could be that big, but it's still cute. So next we have some sneak peeks from Nomad Cosmetics. They're actually coming out with another eyeshadow palette. And from my understanding, this was actually supposed to be coming out in October last year or something like that. I think that's what I read. And like COVID pushed a lot of launches and changed a lot of release dates and whatnot. So I'm assuming that's why this palette is coming out so soon after the Iceland palette, because in the past they've been pretty good about like spacing their releases out more. So far we see a picture with a white and a black shadow, and then there's also one with a gray and a blue, and it looks like a really cute cool tone palette so far. I'm very, very excited about it. I am on the Nomad Cosmetics PR list, which I'm super grateful about, but so far I'm definitely intrigued. Cannot wait to see the full thing. So next we have a new palette from For Art's Sake Cosmetics. I never heard about them before I got a tag for this palette, and I think that their brand seems like a really cute idea because it's, like I said, for art's sake, and it seems like everything they do, a portion of the proceeds go to a nonprofit art charity, and they have different ones, and if you go on their website they'll tell you about the one that they're currently donating to, which I think is really, really great. Unfortunately, this palette just doesn't really speak to me. It's the Sunflower palette, and it's inspired by the Sunflowers painting by Van Gogh, but I just wish that there had been a little bit more difference in some of the shades. On the top row, the middle shade, and on the middle row, the left shade, they look very, very similar. And then on the bottom row, the two orangey red shades look super, super similar. So I really like the concept. I like that the brand is donating. Like, I like everything that's going on. It's just the color story I feel like could have been done a little bit better to be more versatile and more user friendly. So that's going to be a pass, but I just wanted to share it with you, and I do think like it's a cute idea. And then next we have a Valentine's Day mystery box from Mented Cosmetics. I just wanted to share with y'all. It is available now for $50, and it has a $140 value. I believe that discount codes do not apply, but it says that it's going to have eyeshadow palette or palettes, makeup tools, lashes, glitter, glosses, and a Valentine's Day card. So if you've been wanting to try Mented Cosmetics, this could be really great. If you already own a bunch of stuff from them, it might not be as much of a value because you might get repeats and whatnot, but I really like them. I think that it's a cute idea, especially if you want to get it for yourself for Valentine's Day. I am all about the treat yourself for Valentine's Day. Don't be sad. Don't like let Valentine's Day get you down. Instead, like just focus on self-care and being happy by yourself if you are alone, because there is literally nothing wrong with being alone. And I'm gonna buy myself chocolate. I'm gonna buy myself a nice meal. I bought my son chocolates too because I want him to, you know, see it as fun. But I will get off my soapbox. I just thought it was a cute idea, and if I saw a mystery box from a brand that I didn't own a bunch from, then I would probably buy it for myself too, just because I think it's a cute idea. But I own a lot of Midas products, so I'm going to be passing on that, but I wanted to share. But we'll just slip this in because I feel like it kind of goes along with what I was just talking about, although I'm not going to be purchasing it. This is the new Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Valentine's Day collection, and it's actually going to be different, like little mystery boxes. It's called Love is Blind, and there's like 4 different box options. It looks like there's going to be some red lips, some highlighters, just like a variety of products, and it's supposed to be like all a mystery, even though I think it's kind of silly that it's not really a mystery because they showed some of the products that were inside. So I think it would have been even more interesting if it was just kept like super quiet, like, I don't know. I actually think that this is really smart marketing. I think it's very interesting. I see a lot of people who are very divided. They're like, either like, this is so cool and interesting and like really smart to get their foot back in the door, or like they absolutely hate it. They're like, where's the mystery? They don't even have products. Is the mystery whether there's gonna be hair or not? Like, so I kind of understand both sides, but I think it's really cute. I'm not going to be purchasing it because I already had a clown moment with Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics when I purchased from them the first time around. So I'm gonna just wait. I know I heard such good things about their highlighters, but I don't need it. I don't need it. There's so many other small brands I would rather buy from, so that's gonna be a pass. Ooh, this is really exciting. I wanted to share with you guys. So Mented Cosmetics is actually going to be available at Target this month for Black History Month. I think it's really cool that Target is doing this because I also remember for Hispanic Heritage Month, they had a few different Hispanic small businesses that were available in store, and I think it's really cool that not only are they supporting Hispanic businesses, Black-owned businesses, but also like small ones and really giving them like such a big opportunity. So I was really excited to see this. I'm not sure if it's just going to be like a small portion of their line that's available or not, but if I see this in my Target, I will definitely be picking up probably a lipstick, maybe a lip liner. I've wanted to try Mented Cosmetics for a long time and I haven't, so I just wanted to share with you guys. Really, really cool. I'm not sure if it's available on the Target website either, but if it is, I'll make sure to link it. Super, super awesome. Next, we have a new release from colored Raine, and okay, why am I having a moment right now? I'm like, did I already talk about these and forget? Honestly, when you do over 100 of these videos, things start to get a little fussy. I don't know, but we'll talk about it again. If you've heard me talk about this in the past, then just skip on through for a moment. But these are new brushes from Colored Raine. They look absolutely beautiful. Maybe before we just had like a little sneak peek, but it says that they are releasing February 8th. You can use the discount code MakeupWorld for 10% off. And they're going to be releasing these in an eye brush set and a face brush set. The eye brushes are 7 for $35, face are 3 for $25. You can get all 10 for $60, or you can buy them all individually. These eyeshadow brushes look bomb, like so good. Like the little crease brushes, like they just look super precise. Do I need more brushes? Absolutely not, but I'm really tempted. Maybe I'll throw it in my cart, add a discount code, add shipping, see how it looks, and think about it, because the blending brushes here look really nice. And I also just really love the design. Like the ombre tan to deep brown is super, super pretty. So yeah, definitely interested in that. And then, okay, next we have a new release from Odin's Eye, and this is available now. It just launched yesterday, I believe, from the time that you're seeing this. Hopefully, if I can get it edited in time, trying to put this up on Saturday, but I wanted to mention it really quickly in case you haven't seen it yet. I already did a first impression video on this collection, and I'm actually wearing the Redondi palette on my eyes right now, in case you're curious. And I will have a 3 looks with the big palette up on Monday, and then a 3 looks with the mini palette up on Wednesday. So there will be more looks coming soon if you want to wait and see the looks before you purchase, or you just want inspiration if you already purchased them, whatever. Or if you don't want to purchase them, you could always just get inspired by the looks and use what you already have. But I think that this is a really cute collection. It's definitely my favorite thing that Odin's Eye has done yet. I just love that there's no pressed glitters, and that they also added a bunch of deep tones, because in the past I've just felt like a lot of their palettes were like overall very light. So I'm just happy to see this. There's 3 different highlighters, which are really cute and handmade. So I think it's a cute collection. I think I said cute like 100 times already, but let me know what you think about this. I'd be curious to hear. Okay, next we have a new collection, which I was very excited about, from Ofra Cosmetics. Again, I already have content up on this. I did a full video actually working with Ofra, so I can link that down below for you in case you're curious if you want to see swatches of all these products and see some of them demoed. And I also did face swatches of all the blushes in this collection on my Instagram. But this is the new Ride or Die collection, and there are 3 different duos, which I believe are $29 each. And then there are 3 different liquid blushes, which are $15 each. They also had like little sets where you could get them for $35 together. Like it was 1 liquid blush and 1 duo together. But I think this is a really cute collection. I really like the liquid blushes. I was just very excited to see Ofra doing that. I feel like I need to do a full video on like all my liquid and cream products and just talk about it, because I'm just having like a little love affair. My stomach is growling so loud right now. I hope you guys can't hear that. I need to go eat. I didn't eat breakfast and it's like 2 o'clock. Oops. Okay, so anyways, next we have a new launch from Nomad Cosmetics, and I'm so excited about this. Look at all these beautiful shadows. There's 17 new shades, which is slightly overwhelming. They all look stunning. I was actually having like an internal debate with myself, because I'm like, okay, I want every single one of these, but also that's going to be expensive, and I really want to upgrade my computer, so I need to watch what I'm spending my money on. But actually right before I started filming this, Nomad reached out to me and asked me if they could send it to me in PR, and I'm like, yes, please, thank you so much. So hopefully I can help you guys out too whenever they do come in, if you're overwhelmed by this, because it's a lot of new shades, and I'm really curious to compare them to the shades that they already have. So if you want a full swatch comparison video with these, just let me know, but they look stunning. I wanted to share, there's some swatches here from Chippa Gray on Instagram. Look at these shadows. Look how beautiful they look. Raine Terra, delicious. So pretty. And then there's also some swatches I'll throw on screen from M. Jones. I know that they're not all marked, but I just wanted to show some quick swatches because they look really pretty. So I'm definitely very excited about this release. I live for a good duochrome, sparkly metallic shadow. Keeps me going. And then the last indie release I wanted to mention, this was like a big like wah for me, because this is from Lunar Beauty, and they were sneak peeking that they were coming out with a little something for February, and I was thinking like blushes, bronzers, maybe an extension to their highlighters. Like I had all these exciting things in mind, and I even had like my timer set for when Manny's video was gonna go live, because I was so excited to see what the new launch was. And then I saw that it was lashes, and I was like, I will say that they look really fluffy. They look very pretty. The packaging is super beautiful, as you would expect from Lunar Beauty. Like if they came out with something where the packaging wasn't magnificent, I would be shocked at this point, but I'm just not in the market for lashes at all. So these are going to be a pass. So I have one last release I wanted to mention really quickly that is not from an indie brand, but I like to just throw in if there's something mainstream that's catching my eye at the very end. So I just wanted to talk about this. This is the new Naked Wild West palette from Urban Decay. And I think I have slightly an unpopular opinion, because I think this is kind of cute. I see a lot of people really hating it. I like the like little pops of teal. I like the mixture of like the cool tones and the warm tones. I think it's pretty. Am I tempted to purchase it? No, I'm not going to buy it, but I think that it looks nice. And I mean, Wild West, it's an interesting place to go with the Naked series, but can you imagine? This sounds absolutely painful, but Naked Antarctica? I have some very pretty blue cool tone. Naked in Antarctica. I'm sorry. I'm imagining, like, if we're going there, if we're thinking of different naked locations, like I have some ideas in mind, okay? So I think it's a funny theme. Like I feel like naked is like just like the thing that they cannot let go of. I'd be curious to hear what you guys think about this one, if it's caught your eye at all, or if you're like, really? Another naked palette? Like what the heck? I know, I know. Okay, so I feel like I actually did a decent job at not completely messing up constantly, because sometimes I film these videos and I have to start my sentence over and over and over again. I just feel like, oof, I'm not a good speaker. Like if this was public speaking, I would just be a mess. Thank God for editing. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.